Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about satirical and epistolary novel, which is prescribed in our subject Understanding English Novel, Module 6 Satirical and Epistolary Novel. Satire is an ancient literary genre that has its roots in all cultures throughout the world. It is a literary genre in which vices, follies, abuses, and shortcomings are held up to ridicule and an individual or the society. Satire is usually meant to be humorous, but by using wit to draw attention, the main purpose of satire is often constructive social criticism. The main features of satire are strong irony and sarcasm. Satirical novel is defined as a poem or, in latter use, a novel, film, or other work of art which uses humor, irony, exaggeration, or ridicule to expose and criticize prevailing immorality or foolishness, especially as a form of social or political commentary. We will discuss which techniques are there for in satirical novel. Exaggeration. Exaggeration means the satirical novelist tries to enlarge, increase, or represent something beyond the normal limits so as to make it ridiculous and its faults can be seen. Second technique of satirical novel is incongruity. The satirical novelist tries to present things that are out of place or are absurd in relation to its surroundings. The third technique is reversal. The satirical novelist tries to present the opposite of the normal order. For example, order of events, hierarchical order. Means we have to look into the past. Parody is the next technique or the last technique of satirical novel. The satirical novelist imitates style techniques through distortion, exaggeration to evoke amusement, derision, and sometimes scorn. We'll discuss the types of satires: Horatian satire, juvenile satire, Manichaean satire. Next, there is epistolary novel. Epistolary novel is defined as a novel that is written in the form of a series of letters. The epistolary novel in form of letters present a close view of the character's thoughts and feelings without interference from the author and conveys the shape of events to come with dramatic immediacy. Also, the presentation of events from several points of view gives the story dimension and verisimilitude, but sometimes the dependency on the later writers need to confess to virtue or vice or powerlessness at time. Such confession were susceptible to suspicion or ridicule. There are types of epistolary novels: monologic, dialogic, and polylogic. We'll discuss in our next video. Thank you.